Hello, how you doing? Today we're going to be making a spicy Puerto Rican mule. Now the key ingredient to this mule is going to be the Acerola cherry. The Acerola cherry is native to Puerto Rico, and I'll actually have the juice right here. It's a very sweet but yet tarty flavor. Another thing we're going to use that's very native to Puerto Rico is pique. Pique is Puerto Rican hot sauce. Now, today I have actually Acerola pique. So it's Acerola flavored pique with hot peppers. Okay, so to start, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 4 mint leaves and place them in the shaker. You're gonna take 1 key lime and squeeze it into the shaker as well. Get 1 key lime's worth of juice. And then from there, we're gonna take 3 ounces of Acerola juice. 2 ounces of Bacardi Limon. And then we're going to use the pique. We're going to use 1 teaspoon of the pique. Now, if you like it hotter, feel free to go ahead and use more or use less as needed. So from here, we're going to take all the ingredients, close the shaker, make sure it's circularly shut, and then shake it till you make it. Once you're done shaking, go ahead and pour into your cup. Top it off with ginger beer. Now this is my homemade ginger beer. If you want to see the recipe for this, there'll be a link in the bio, or you can click the card at the end of the video. And then once you're done, you could go ahead and garnish with lime, with a lime, hot pepper if you like. Sorry. And also some mint sprigs. Cheers.